So what are the benefits of semi-structured data in general? As I mentioned earlier, it is easy to exchange data among multiple databases and different NoSQL applications. And in fact, relational systems have now caught up with this trend and added support for it. For instance, by allowing JSON to be a special data type that we can stick in a column. We won't cover XML in this class, but XML is a precursor to JSON, and there has been a bunch of query languages proposed for XML. XML later on evolved into something called protocol buffers, developed by Google. And still later on, it evolved into JSON, as we covered in this class. As a summary, remember that in JSON, we represent data as a tree. And as a result, we need to define extra constructs to handle such tree structure when we define our query language for JSON documents. And we will see that next.